how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram in just a few easy steps. Start by opening the Instagram app and logging into your account. Look for the plus sign plus at the bottom center of your screen and tap it to start a new post. When the menu pops up, pick Post. You'll see an icon that looks like layered squares. Tap that to select multiple photos or videos. Now, go through your device's library and pick up to 10 photos or videos you want to share. Just tap on each one in the order you want them to appear. After you've picked your images, hit Next. Here you can add filters and make edits to each photo to give them a nice matching look. Write a fun caption for your post. Don't forget to use some hashtags to help more people find it. You can also tag friends or add your location if you want. When everything looks great, just tap Share to post it. Now your followers can swipe through all your photos in one go, making it super engaging. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.